What's up, guys? This is like me trying to like tidy this hole up. I live in a dorm with like two roommates, and like a funny thing happened today. I was like, my cabinet, this cabinet, like is standing in this corner. Yeah, I know, it's ugly. And like they gave me like a bunch of Kinder surprises during the holidays, Christmas holidays, and like I ate them all. So I thought, but like, guess what? I picked up the cabinet, and what I find, well, a Kinder was inside of it, but like no, when you find a Kinder, you eat a Kinder. And like I have this thing where all the toys that I get from all the Kinders that I buy, they suck. They suck so bad. I get all the puzzles. Like they're like, love you, kitty cats, all that shit. Like I got this drawing thing, like I don't have it nowadays, like it's a little circle that you put this thing on and you like spin it and then you draw, and it's like it must be like greatest thing ever. I don't know. I did not fancy it. This is my like bag of stupid things. Like this bracelet. Like what is this? I'm gonna try to open this one up now, and like I hope to God it's not a puzzle or something. Can I guess it's like a normal toy? Like, it's like this. You read it like that, and like you throw it and you like enjoy yourself.
Morning, guys. Unfortunately, I did not wake up at 5 a.m. I woke up at 6:30, something like that. So yeah. Oh, that will be fine. I'll think of something. I'm like laying down, studying currently, and yeah. The loud one is still sleeping.
Bam! Cleaning done. Like, let's have this before and after thing. So like, bam! That thing is tidy. Bam! That is tidy. Okay, I was like watching something and like I moved the screen. Bam! That is tidy too. I got my scents can, you know? Or the little scents. And like, bam! The bed is tidy. The dragon sheet. Blah 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 blah. Like, I haven't done this in a while, so like I'm kinda happy about that. And like, table thing tidy. The trash bag. We like don't have a lot of things, but our trash bag is always full. I don't understand it. Like, so yeah, and like the ground there is not dusty. Not dust. Let just give me that. Okay? Okay, so like it's like 1 p.m. and I think I should take a shower finally. I do that sometimes. So like yeah, I'm a slob. Okay, I'm going. Peace. baby. Baby. Just making super, baby. And this is gonna be so good. Making super, baby. Got tasting soup, baby. You like me from a better thing. Ow! It's gonna be good. Good. It is good. It is good. I'm trying more ingredients. Exotic meat, lobster, coconut, shrimp. That's gonna be good. Bought it almost 2 weeks, so like, whatever. Looks good, doesn't it? This looks good. It tastes good. That's what matters. That's what matters. Right?
I can't. I can't. I'm crying. Look at my belly hurts. I could stop. Oh my
I'm a retard.
The video. The video was like, wow. Okay.
That was accurate.
My lungs. I do not smoke.
Anymore. Okay, back to work.
Oh my god. I'm like,
My mascara.
well, yeah.
Of course. Of course. Okay, let's go. Talking here, man. That dude is like right.
We uploaded a vlog.
Yeah, today. It's our first vlog. Editing, uploading, day,
And
managing.
today was really busy.
Yeah.
So we didn't vlog at all.
Well, I did vlog.
I
a little
didn't.
bit. Tough
Only
love.
in the morning.
That's good. You filmed your brother. That was like awkward, but
Yeah.
okay. And like you saw how tidy my room is now. That's some yes. It was tidy. Okay, that was tidy.
Okay, it was.
It was tidy.
It was whatever.
Not whatever. It was tidy.
It was tidy, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. I need approval. I'll try to keep it that way. I'll fail today, I think. If I
No,
not
you
have.
won't. You will go to sleep.
So, like, yeah. I will, like, put my... Oh, does your hand hurt?
It does.
I can have it. I can have
You
it.
can have it, yeah.
I will fill my mouth.
Your hand is longer.
My hand is longer. Farther away. As farther away.
Farther away.
Farther your way. Farther.
Yeah.
Farther away. So like yeah. We're sitting like with a camera in the safest neighborhood in Konas. We're so badass. Ain't nobody gonna touch us. Bad people are at home being 18 with children already, so like yeah, have to put the children to sleep. So yeah, this is a safe time now. Only at night do they become the dark nights and go in the streets, terrorize people.
And we was in a birthday party today.
What was it?
The birthday
It was
boy was
a war.
lolling.
Yeah,
He was playing LOL.
it was a true birthday. A gamer's birthday. He was playing alone. Like in the room alone. He had other people, but like
Yeah, and
nobody
we were
knew it
like
was-
drinking champagne and eating
we
his
got
cake.
drunk
From a glass of champagne. Yeah.
Oh my god. We totally thing
We
that
totally did
Totally.
it.
Totally.
Totes.
I mean, like, you did it?
And I did it at the same time. At the
Tot-
same moment you did it.
Totally.
Totally.
Well,
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. So freaking hungry. What is in there? This, whatever. I'm finally home. I'm so tired. And I'm whispering, yes. Because my folks are sleeping. It's 11 o'clock. No, it's only 10. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna have to study again. I'm not gonna, like, I'm sorry guys, it's such a slow vlog today. Studying and editing and stuff. Like, there are some days like that when you don't do anything, just stuff, no, studying. So yeah, I went in the bus. People were staring at me like, what the actual flipping do? Like, I wasn't vlogging or anything. I wasn't like standing out.